This 2022 Jayco Precept 36C is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Kervel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, LP detector, microwave, oven, DVD player, skylight, water heater, smoke detector, refrigerator, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment. This 2022 Jayco Precept 36C is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Kervel's RV.